I'm in this 2023 Escalade V that we recently brought back for more work. And we put wheels and tires on this. We put 305, 35, 24s. But what's interesting to note is the amount of horsepower that these rob. So this thing had a Kong-ported blower, upper pulley, plugs, cold air intake, and it put down, I want to say 528, and when we were done, it put down about 624 on 22s. We added the 24s, and the weight is astronomical. So the 22s come in at about 43 pounds, and then with the tires, about 35.2 pounds, give or take, for a total of 78.2 pounds. When we went to the 24s, it went to 51 pounds, and then the tires came in at roughly, I want to say 43, 44 pounds. So about 95.5 pounds total. The difference between the two was about 17.3 pounds on each corner. So it added about 60 pounds plus whatever rotational mass is associated with that. So this truck actually, with the wheels and tires and 24s, baselined at about 570 with the current mods from a previous 624. So that's crazy. So now we're just pulling down just a little bit. We have a little bit more room with the fuel system just to try to get it wide. So we're going to see what it does, and we're hoping we can get close to, or if not the same as where we were before. But interesting concept for those wanting to lower and put wheels and tires. This is a sacrifice that you have to give for looks, but there's ways to balance it. Just buttoned the truck up, and it's interesting to see once we plugged in the data for the 24s, the 305, 35, 24s, we're able to come in here and see what the truck makes in stock form. And the numbers came in at 528, 488 foot-pounds on 24-inch wheels, dynoed in 5th gear. And once we're done with it and finished everything, obviously we just wanted to correct for the 24s, give it a little bit more power to make up for that weight. We actually made 626 to the tire and 566 foot-pounds of torque. If we look over here on the graph itself, everything's really clean. These little jitters are just from the RPM pickup, but it's a clean linear graph. There's no dip, there's no anything. And you can see here, peak came in at 626 horsepower, 566 foot-pounds of torque here. And when we come to the stock one, which is here, peak comes in at 528, 488 foot-pounds of torque. So 98 horsepower at the rear wheel wheels, and close to, what is this, 80 and some change, 88-ish. I'm not really good at math right now, but yeah, but these are very respectable gains with the 24s. This truck's gonna feel quick, fast, no cam, no headers. It's literally cold air intake, pulley, plugs, and just keeping it cool. I hope that was helpful for you guys. It kind of put things into perspectives and gives you an idea of what to expect when you put wheels and tires on the car, so which is pretty dope. So thanks for tuning in. If there's any questions, if there's anything that we can do for you, definitely let us know. Have a great day. Bye-bye.